Okay, welcome to Dollhouse and Let's Play. What you'll need. Okay, everything that you need will be in the description box below, including all the programs that you need to install. Okay, let's go through them. The programs you'll need will be MMD, which is Miku Miku Dance, MME, which is Miku Miku Effect, VRoid Studio, PMX Editor, and PMX Tailor. Okay. Now, getting started with MMD. So, I've got a basic knowledge of MMD, as I've been doing it probably, or maybe almost about 2 years now. But I have enough knowledge that can get you started right away. And that's what we're going to be following in this tutorial, is just the basic steps of Miku Miku Dance. So first off, there's a ton of free content available for MMD that you can use. Just make sure to follow the creators' rules and give them credit for their work. Okay, so if we talk about MMD for a minute, so have you ever played Project Diva or Project Sakai and wonder how people recreate those amazing videos? Well, most of these videos are made using programs like Blender and MMD. Today I'm going to show you how to create the Sukikirari. I just said that. Okay. Today I'm going to show you how to. Today I'm going to show you how to recreate. Today I'm going to show you how to create the Sukikirari video from Project Diva using different models, other than Rin and Lin. Yeah. So what we will cover in this tutorial, so it might be in parts so it could be easier for people to follow along, but what we are going to cover is, first one is creating a model in VRoid Studio. We'll start by making a basic model in VRoid Studio, and this is just for those who maybe you want to make your own OC or something like that, and you don't want to use any ready-made models that are available. And then the second one is downloading a free model. So I'll show you how to find and download free models for MMD. And the third one is importing models into MMD. Learn how to import both the VRoid model and the free model into MMD. 4. Using Project Diva stages. Get Sega's Project Diva stages and import them into MMD. Next will be creating and importing WAV files. How to create a WAV file and import a Project Diva song into MMD. And number 6 is using animations from Project Diva. We'll grab the animations from the Project Diva video you want to recreate. So, for example, if I'm recreating Sukikirari, we're gonna get those exact animations. Okay. What number we're on? Number 7, using effects. You'll be learning about the effects you'll need and how to use them in MMD. Tweaking and adjusting. Fine-tune your models and animations to get them just right. And lastly will be exporting your creation. Finally, we will export your video and enjoy your creation. Okay, so I hope that was clear. Probably not, but we can go over it one more time. So what we will cover: creating a model in VRoid Studio. We'll start by making a basic model in VRoid Studio. 2. Downloading a free model. I'll show you how to find and download free models for MMD. 3. Importing models into MMD. Learn how to import both the VRoid model and the free model using MMD. 4. Using Project Diva stages. Get Sega's Project Diva stages and import them into MMD. 5. Creating and importing WAV files. how to create a WAV file and import a Project Diva song into MMD. 6. Using animations from Project Diva. We'll grab the animations from the Project Diva video you want to recreate. 7. Using effects. Learn about the effects you'll need and how to use them. 8. Tweaking and adjusting. Fine-tune your models and animations to get them just right. 9. Exporting your creation. Finally, export your video and enjoy your creation. Okay, let's get started.